The G-Shock GA-2100 series of watches is one of Casio's best-selling watches since it was released in 2019. There are so many variants and colorways of this watch, all in all about 21, but this particular one, the black stealth version, caught my eye. I have two G-Shock squares I love, but this one has squeezed its way into my collection due to its beautiful design. It goes by the nickname the CasiOak, and this is because of its resemblance to the famous Audemars Piguet Royal Oak's octagonal bezel. But other than that, this is a budget watch with its own strengths and mass appeal. Casio has done away with the metal tins and replaced that with environmentally friendly packaging. I guess Casio has gone green, which is a bit of a bummer. I would have loved the tin, but it's not an issue. The watch more than makes up for the change in packaging. The GA-2100 case is produced from a combination of mostly resin, carbon, and steel materials. The entire watch is black, except for the metal buckle, the pushers, the hands, and the case back. The face has a mineral gloss on top, which is prone to scratches. The watch looks stealthy, and all the materials look good together. I especially like how the resin parts are cool matte black. Interestingly enough, there are a lot of fake G2100 watches sold online, and you can tell by the shiny plastic look of the case that they're not the real deal like this one. Apart from the colorway, one of the biggest draws of the GA-2100 series of G-Shocks is the slim profile. Compared to other G-Shocks, it is less bulky, and this adds to its appeal, yet it does not lose the signature G-Shock look with the iconic octagonal shape from the original DW5000C. I think the combination of analog and digital on this watch gives it a classy look, which you don't get with fully digital G-Shocks like the GW-M5610 or DW5600. I love the fact that it has quick release spring bars for the straps, making it a breeze to switch straps if need be. The watch has a carbon core guard surrounding the quartz module, making it as tough as any other G-Shock. The buttons are at the 10, 2, 4, and 8 o'clock positions. They feel firm and are pretty easy to use. It's certainly light at 51 grams. The strap is also quite comfortable and I can wear it all day with no issues. This watch has a strong wrist presence and it sits low on the wrist, which makes it easy to wear under sleeves. It's a good option for both casual and tactical wear. The dimensions of the watch are as follows. The diameter is 45.4 millimeters, lug to lug it's 48.5 millimeters, and it is an 11.8 millimeter thick watch. The weight of the watch is 51 grams. Water resistance is 200 meters as expected from G-Shocks. This watch has the 5611 module, which has analog hands for the hours and minutes and a small digital display for additional functions. It has a stopwatch that goes up to 24 hours, and you can see that on the display. Reset that. It also has a countdown timer with 1 second increments, up to 24 hours as well. You can see that. It has 5 daily alarms, plus an hourly signal. It has a full auto calendar pre-programmed until 2099. And you can also switch between standard and military time. It has a double LED light with super illuminator and afterglow for 1.5 or 3 seconds, one for the analog display and the other for the digital display. Battery life is approximately 3 years on a SR726W battery. Accuracy is plus or minus 15 seconds per month. The 5611 is a basic quartz module that is designed to fit the slim modern aesthetic of the GA-2100. It has no multiband 6 or Bluetooth time syncing like higher end G-Shocks. It has a hand shift function to temporarily move the hands out of the way for easier viewing of the digital screen. Once you get the hang of it, the module is pretty simple to use. It also has a world time function with 31 time zones, 48 cities plus coordinated universal time, and daylight saving on or off. Firstly, it looks great. It has a stylish modern design. The octagonal bezel and minimalist look make it versatile. It can be worn casually or even in a smart casual setting. The slim profile of the watch, it's one of the thinnest G-Shocks ever, making it wearable even under sleeves. The watch is lightweight and comfortable. Like any other G-Shock, it has a durable construction, is shock resistant, and has a 200-meter water resistance rating. The watch is tough despite its size. It has a reliable module, which has a lot of useful complications. It's also an affordable watch and offers great value for the features and build quality. The watch has poor legibility in low light situations, specifically this one, the 1A1 version. The stealthy black on black hands can be hard to read, especially in dim lighting conditions. Of course, you can take advantage of the built-in double light to help with this, so it's not a big issue for me. I like it regardless. It doesn't have tough solar or multiband 6, which some users expect in a G-Shock. It's not an issue for me as well. The 3-year battery life is sufficient and the plus or minus 15 seconds accuracy is okay. The LED light is not bright enough to light the hands in total darkness. The watch is purely analog with no Bluetooth or smart features, which may be a downside with a smartwatch dominated world. I prefer it that way personally, and I don't intend to use a smartwatch anytime soon. The integrated strap limits third-party strap options unless you get special adapters. Ultimately, this is a cool watch. The stealth look is something I like despite the cons, and seeing this watch in person is totally different from seeing it on pictures or video. You have to have it on your wrist to fully appreciate it. I get why these watches were selling out so much, and as my third G-Shock watch, it's a great addition to my collection. I personally don't like chunky G-Shocks, so the size is perfect for me. I might just get the full grey one as well. It's another good looking watch. There's a reason why this watch is so popular. You can mod it to look different and give it your own personal touch if you wish, and mods for this watch can be found on AliExpress cheap. If you're on the fence about getting this watch, get it. It's a great watch. That said, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below.